My father was a very smart man. My father was self-taught, really, because his parents died when he was very young, and he was basically raised by a much older sister. And he didn't really have a large formal education, but he had been an avid reader. He told me that he started out working as an errand boy at a Yiddish newspaper, and he thought that being a journalist would be the most wonderful job in the world, and basically learned what to do. But he had always liked writing. He was always a good writer. He learned languages by himself. He was, again, never formally taught, but of course he spoke Hebrew because as a young boy he had gone to a cheder, so he learned Hebrew. So he spoke Yiddish and Hebrew. He spoke fluent Polish, but he also spoke German and he spoke Russian, and all self-taught. So he was a very bright man. He was an avid reader, and he was funny. He always had jokes. But I think I most remember him, and again, I did not understand this when I was a child. I understood it more as an adult. He loved being a teacher, and he loved being my teacher. And when I wasn't resistant to it, he was able to tell wonderful stories and do a lot of teaching